Part 2 of my marathon challenge lock picks. It's a Winkhouse Euro, it's a UCOF 6B challenge lock. Just going in with my favourite little slightly modified hook, and instantly it moves all over the place. They always do. There's a lot of action inside one of these locks because the pins are quite extreme. Which hopefully, if we get it picked, I will show you later on. I say we, it's me who's doing the picking, you're just watching. You've got it easy. I've got to pick these things. Do you have any idea how much my piano practice is suffering because of all these blooming locks? But still, I don't mind really. My piano teacher would probably get a bit cross if he knew I spent all my time doing this. I could be playing the Royal Albert Hall by now if it wasn't for lock sport. Well, I couldn't, I'm not that good. But I'm waffling on, which makes a change. I usually forget to talk while I'm picking, certainly while I'm picking on camera, so a little treat for you, a little, well, treat. I think that's for you to decide, not me really. Right, we've got it back into a little false set there. Doesn't feel like it's going particularly well, this pick, to be honest. But sometimes they surprise you. Sometimes it'll just, you're picking away, feeling about, feel like you're getting nowhere. Then all of a sudden, 2 or 3 more little clicks and you're in, which is always nice, seeing as that's the whole point of this. Crunch. The pin at the back keeps resetting itself, and it's a bugger to get to with this pick. I wonder if I might have more success with another one, but we'll persevere for a little while, see how it goes. just overset one there. See if I can just bounce it back. There we go. I feel I'm pretty close, but I've been a bit off my game lately. I'm just not picking very well. Creaky chair again. Went a funny angle. Blimey, big false set there. That's lifted a pin right up here. So that resets that pin, and everything else goes click, 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 resets itself. Oh, and there we go. Blimey, marathon pick. Sorry it took so long and was a bit of a pig's ear, but another one on film, another one down. I'm going to practice the piano for the rest of the day. Cheers.